Eager to track your Temu treasures and know exactly when they'll arrive? Let's dive into how to find your Temu tracking number, ensuring you're always in the loop. First, unlock your phone and tap the Temu App icon to launch it. If you're on a computer, simply head to the Temu website and log in. Once you're in, look for the U tab, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen depending on your device. Tap on it to access your account information. Next, find and tap on your orders. This section neatly organizes all your past Temu purchases, ready for your tracking expertise. Now, locate the specific order you want to track. Tap on that order to view its detailed information. Scroll down the order details page until you spot the tracking number. It's usually a long string of numbers and letters. This is your golden ticket to tracking. Copy that tracking number, then head to your preferred tracking website or app like the carrier's site or a general tracking service. Paste it in, and voila! You can now see the real-time status and location of your Temu package. And that's all there is to it. With your tracking number in hand, you can stay updated on your delivery schedule and anticipate the arrival of your exciting Temu finds. Happy shopping!